All right, here we go. This is 2022 Topps Star Wars Masterwork. One case, random box break. 8 boxes. You get all contents of your box. Once I get this bad boy cracked open here. Get these all laid out in the boxes so we know which one is which, and then we'll random up the break participants, see which box you guys got. Whoa. Slip my hand out of there. Okay. Slide that there. Come around here with that one. Okay, so the boxes, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Top to bottom, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8 on the right. And here we go on the boxes. Box order on 7. Box order on 7. Wow, Stefan with the first 4 boxes. 6 for 1, 7 times. Stefan with the first 4. Then we got Golden Boy, Michael E., Francis, and the Golden Boy. So we're going to start with his. Hit save on my spreadsheet here. Save that one too. Why not? Okay, so the whole left side here going to Stefan. So I'm just going to kind of push those ones back a little bit so we know we're working with his. Should have grabbed some more 100 points. That's all right. Luke Skywalker relic. Whatever he's doing there. I always think those ones are numbered. That blue. But I guess not. $2.99 on that chick. Jar Jar Binks autograph, numbered to 90, 60 out of 99. Or numbered to 99. I don't know what I just said there, but 60 out of 99 blue autograph. Jar Jar Binks. Got another super thick one here. I don't know if it was as thick as that one, but another pretty thick one. Not as thick as that other one. Should we rotate these into the front? Let's do it. Let's do it, man. What do we got here? 4 out of 10. Potentially a gold, I guess. Maybe they're calling it gold in this. Our lowest numbered card to date so far, out of 10 there. And a little medallion. Pretty heavy. Fixer autograph. And purple to 50. Yeah, it kind of is, huh? deck, pretty heavy. So I wonder why it is. I don't know the backstory on the 2022 of this. Like, why is the 2022 coming out now? Whenever I first posted this, the title of the break was 2023. I quickly changed it. Yeah, 2022 coming out in December 2023. Did this one get like pushed back a whole bunch of times, or? Another Jar Binks. That one's a base auto. Chewbacca. Got a numbered relic here. Green out of 99. Piece of the poncho. Yeah, feels like a poncho. Another green out of 99. This one's got a bad back corner. Crushed in a little bit there. To $2.99. Bartender autograph. Scratch and sniff. A couple of these, that last card, I've seen it on a bunch of these. But this last card, it's got a little bit of a something going on there on quite a few of these packs. Luke Skywalker stamp, not numbered. All right, there was Steph Man's second box. Want to say I appreciate you guys coming out to the live stream. Thank you guys so much, getting these breaks rolling here for another wonderful live stream right here on YouTube. Getting through our sold out breaks and then dropping some fillers on some breaks that are already ready to go and just waiting on me to drop the fillers. So that is awesome. Love that. Going live and having some stuff already ready to rock and roll. Perfect. I know not going live yesterday kind of helped that, but we were already well on our way yesterday anyways. So definitely lock in those teams for Bowman Draft Jumbo. Or I guess Bowman Draft in general. We got the Jumbo, we got the HTA, and the Super Jumbos. This guy. These animated ones don't go for as much, huh? Purple to 50. It's a thicker one. Yeah, those back cards. A little bit of peeling up on the foil there. Number to 299. And what do we got here? Are they calling this a medallion, or what are they calling this? Oh, yeah, medallion. This one's to 99. The Dark Saber. Roll to have a good time. Gloves relic. $2.99. Second sister. Okay, Stefan's third box. I don't know. Is Bill Burr in this? Or I know he's in this, but yeah, did he sign in this? Anybody know? I would imagine so. If he's got these other base cards, he probably is. That last one was a good auto. Excuse me. $2.99 there. Autograph there. Jawa. Base autograph. Another stamp. 50 out of 50. Mets Razzie. Claire Grant. Autograph. And is this out of 10? No, out of 25 on this one. The fifth brother out of 25. Stefan, there's your 4 boxes, buddy. Appreciate you hopping in and picking those up. And we're going to move on to Golden Boys box number 5. I need to grab some more 100-point top loaders. You got to pay the fee. Maybe I should. You certainly can. You can drop it. Actually, not too many people drop eBay links in here anymore. There used to be always people dropping their eBay link. That actually doesn't really happen too much anymore. But I was going to say should make people like. You gotta donate $1. Send me over $1 and you can drop your link now. Yeah, you can drop it. You can drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Well, here's the thing: is if you do drop it, we're gonna critique you in your eBay and your listings, your pictures. Your pictures better not have any fingers or feet in them. There was all of Stephman's. I'll pay more. Yeah, some people might pay more. Some people might pay more. I don't know about Wuka's feet. You got nice feet. All right, so there's that. Moving on to the Golden Boy for box number 5. Golden Boy, here we go. Frog Lady autograph, Misty Rosas as the Frog Lady, and a Hunter Green /99. No, not Hunter Biden. Just Hunter. So yeah, so that just dawned on me. So yeah, Stefan just grabbed those first 4 there. No sketches. Not a single sketch, right? Yeah. Ooh. Our first dual autograph here. The Golden Boy. And there's a sketch behind it as soon as I say that. 25 out of 50. Dual autograph card. And a 1/1 sketch card. Man, it's crazy how people can draw, and it's crazy. Steve something. Steve A.T. something. Sketch. I'm not artistic at all. So, I don't know how people can do it. R2, D2, and here we go. Another box. So, dual autograph and a sketch. Same box. I don't think that they were massive hits, but nonetheless, a dual and a sketch that we have not seen in this case yet coming out. So see what else he's got in his box here. Is this one numbered? I think it's going to be, huh? Out of 25. Has this like vintage feel to it. Out of 25 there. The 5th brother autograph. Not the duel you want. Yeah, I kind of figured that. Is this a wood to 10? Imperial Comms Officer, 1 out of 10. And it's wood. Very cool. Always love those wood cards out of what A&G baseball. Out of 25 on that one. Okay, the Golden Boy. I don't think he hit the bigger names, but he's hitting some cool cards, some cooler stuff. He's got another box at the end here as well. So that was yours, Golden Boy. Appreciate it. Okay, Michael E., you're up next, buddy. Good luck. Pretty thick. She's thicker than most. Yeah, super thick card, another one. And it feels like that card as well. It's like kind of rattles around in the card. C3PO to 50 on the purple. Feels like a rattler. On-screen prop. Rebel base radar screen. See how you could literally, like, I'm moving it around. Just kind of rattles in there a little bit. Super duper crazy thick. That there. Number to 299 there. Numbered relic card, piece of the cloak, 27 out of 50 on the purple. Blue autograph. This thing. 55 out of 99. And Michael E. There's your box, buddy. 12 out of 99 right there. Need a big auto. Okay, see what we can do. Okay, up next we got the new guy, Francis. Welcome to the room. You got in on the Star Wars. Star Wars bringing some new people in. Okay. Okay. I did buy, I have, I think, one or two, no, I want to say two more cases of Masterwork coming through next week. So we have that other half case for the two boxers, but I have another case coming through, and also no, did I buy one or two? I have to look. A couple cases of Masterwork coming in next week, restock, and then one or two more of the finest. Star Wars finest. Django Fett. Is this going to be number to 10? Man, I love these wood parallels. Wood parallel out of 10. Okay. Autograph. And this one's that, I'm sure we could look it up, but I don't know what it is off the top of my head here, but it has like that vintage kind of look to it, that these are out of what, 25? 17 out of 25? Whatever the parallel is called, but it's kind of what I'm feel like it is. All the little dots. Giving it that old school cardboard feel and look. Super duper thick, and I don't think that this is one of those glass pieces either. I just don't feel like it is. I think it is. Never mind. False alarm. Han Solo. False alarm. I think it is. This one they're saying is the Rebel Base radar screen. Could have the smaller ones here, yeah. Should have never done. Did what I should have never done. Sketch card. Our second sketch out of the case, going to the new guy. Who we got here? Adam Everett Beck. What do you think about that one? $0 to 99. Green. that thing is. What is that thing? Weird looking thing. And it's a fitty. There's your box, man. Appreciate it. Another box down on the Star Wars. The final box going to the Golden Boy. Again, there's another one of these on the website. If it sells out tonight, we can rip it random box style. Put these away real quick. All right, the last one. The Golden Boy. $2.99 on the Greedo. Imperial Comms Officer. Autograph. Admiral Akbar to 99, and wait a second here. There's that little sketchy sketch. Michael Munchall, artist. Sketch. This looks like just looks like it looks like scratches, but it's like impressions or something on the drawing on there, you know? And then the ink is like seeping through. Really cool. Cute. Green out of 99. Dr. Pershing, autograph, number to 50, 26 out of 50. The final box, and I think it's pretty thick. She's a thick one. A little thicker than most. Are these thick ones always going to be one of those glass relics? Screen relics? Yeah, it definitely feels that way. I feel it bouncing around in there. This one looks like it's going to actually be numbered though. $2.99 there. Imperial Royal Guard. And Rebel Base radar screen, number to 99. Okay. That was it on the Star Wars. good time. All right, Star Wars random box break number 1. Thank you guys for hopping in on the Star Wars. Appreciate that, my friends. Thank you.